Hello student, this is Manisha Tomar and today we are discussing about P block elements which is present in only 12th standard. In 12th standards, total number of P blocks are 6 but in 12th standard we have discussing only group 15, 16 and 17, 18. We have 4 groups in class 12th standard and group 13 and 14 are in class 11. So here we are discussing only group 15, 16, 17 and 18. The elements which are placed in group 13 to 18 in the periodic table are called p block elements because their last valence electrons is filled in the p orbitals. That's why they are called p block elements. Their valence electronic configuration is start from ns to np1 to 6 if I am talking about all the 6 groups. But in the 15 groups configuration is NS2 and P3 and for 16 groups NS2 and P4 and for general from 13 to 18 it will be start from NS2 and P1 to 6. Now the valence electrons whose valence electrons present in p orbitals are called p block elements. Group 15 elements are called nitrogen family. If we are talking about classical periodic table, that group is present. That group is 5th A. 5th A. The group 5th A periodic table consists nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and muscovium (MC). These elements show a considerable variation in their chemical behavior. On moving down the group, metallic character increases. If you are going, देखिए nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals here. Arsenic and antimony are metalloid and bismuth and muscovium are metals. So metallic character will increase when we are going up to down in the group. In this group, we have all types of elements, metals, non-metals and metalloid. So this is a very important group for us. Now we are talking about occurrence. 78% nitrogen present in the atmosphere and 21% is oxygen and 0.03% is carbon dioxide. So molecular nitrogen present in the atmosphere in the earth crust, it occurs as sodium nitrate also, chili saltpeter जिसको हम sodium nitrate is called chili saltpeter, potassium nitrate, Indian saltpeter and ammonium salt. These in the form of salt, nitrogen present in the earth crust, while in the form of gas, nitrogen is present in the atmosphere in the form of nitrogen molecule, diatomic molecule N2 की form में, which is 78%. In living being, it is an essential element for amino acids, proteins, nucleic acids like DNA and RNA. Means all the protoplasm of living beings, either plants or animals, contains nitrogen. Amino acids, proteins, nucleic acids all contains nitrogen. Phosphorus occurs in minerals of the apatite family. Means all the apatite families contains phosphorus. This is the salt of phosphorus. Now for examples of fluorspeptide, this is the example of fluorspeptide. Uses of phosphorus is essential for constitution of animals and plant matter. It is present in bones as well as living cells. Means phosphorus, calcium and fluorine are called our skeletal materials. They form our teeth and bones. General characteristics of 15 group elements. Electronic configuration. The valence electronic configuration of these elements is NS2 and P3. N means number of cells और number of cells means period को भी indicate करती है cells. So in case of nitrogen it will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Phosphorus 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3p3. Arsenic atomic number is 33. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10 and 4p3. So we have seen here in second group element 2p3, third group 3p3, 4p3, 5p3 and 6p3 and 7p3. In all the only we are seeing here internal configuration is changed, only number of cells will be increases, but outer electronic configuration or valence electronic configuration is ns2np3. You can take a screenshot of this electronic configuration. Now we are talking about atomic and ionic radii. Atomic and ionic radii, students, we have already discussed in our periodicity in class 11th. When we are going up to down any group, atomic size is increases. With increasing the atomic size, atomic radii or ionic radii will be increases. So covalent and ionic radii increases when we are going up to down in the group. In case of nitrogen and phosphorus, covalent radii considered as increase, while from arsenic and bismuth only small increase in covalent radii. Of the presence of complete filled d and f orbitals in the heavier elements. Heavier elements में जो increase होता है radii वो कम होती है, और large इस lighter elements में वो increase ज़्यादा होती है because they have low electron density. Next, ions of these groups are negatively charged. We have know that 3 negative charge होते हैं. Ionic radii of negative ions are larger than the positive while smaller than atomic radii. Next one is the ionization enthalpy. The ionization enthalpy of group 15 elements much higher than the 14 group elements. This carbon family. The ionization energy is decreases down the group because atomic size increases. Electronegativity decrease down the group with increasing the atomic size. Physical properties. Except nitrogen diatomic होती है, जो कि all the elements of this group found in polyatomic form. Melting and boiling points generally increases up to down in the group with increase the atomic size. Melting point increases from nitrogen to arsenic, then decreases up to bismuth. This is the exceptionality. Nitrogen is found in the form of gas while other elements are solids. Except nitrogen, all elements show allotropy. We have no nitrogen have no allotrop of its own. Chemical properties. Oxidation state. The common oxidation state of elements is -3, +3 and +5. Nitrogen contains only -3 oxidation state. The oxidation state decreases down the group due to the increase the size and due to the metallic character. +5 oxidation decreases down the group and +3 increases down the group due to the inert pair effect. Now we are going to the anomalous properties of nitrogen. In case of nitrogen, all oxidation states from +1 to +4. Nitrogen has greater tendency to form p-pi bonds, means multiple bonds. The bond energy of nitrogen and triple bond N is very high as compared to nitrogen high. So nitrogen molecule is very stable and relatively unreactive at ordinary temperature. The tendency to form p-pi multiple bonds decreasing on moving down the group. Nature of bonding. All the elements of this group form covalent bonds. The strength of covalent bond decreases on moving down the group. Now we are talking about hydrides. Reactivity towards hydrogen. They form hydrides. The elements of 15 groups form hydrides NH3 type central atom. Ammonia, phosphine, arsenic, antimony, bismuthine, antimony. Now, preparation of hydrides. Laboratory method. Ammonia. Ammonium chloride is heated with slacked lime. Slacked lime means calcium hydroxide. It gives ammonia and calcium chloride and water. Characteristics of hydrides. Thermal stability decreases on moving down the group. Ammonia is most thermal while bismuthine is least thermal. Decreasing order of thermal stability. Basic characters decrease on moving down the group. This is ammonia is the strongest base while Lewis bases, जिसे हम Lewis base भी कहते हैं. Boiling point, it increases on group from phosphine to bismuthine. Ammonia has the higher boiling point than phosphine due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Reducing characters, increasing on going down the group. Reducing character increase होता है जबकि oxidizing character decrease होता है when we are going up to down in the group. So ammonia is a weakest reducing agent. pH3 bismuthine is the strongest reducing agent. Ammonia is the least reducing agent due to the thermal stability. Reducing character of this group elements increases on moving down the group. Stability decrease on moving down the group. Ammonia is most stable than other elements. So we have learned some anomalous properties of nitrogen, then hydrides. Reactivity towards oxygen. All the elements of this group form two types of oxides, that is tri and pentaoxides. The oxides in the higher oxidation state of the elements is more acidic than that of lower oxidation state. Their acidic character decreases down the group. Pure acidic होते हैं अमोनियम ऑक्साइड, फॉस्फोरस ट्राइऑक्साइड, अमोनियम ट्राइऑक्साइड, फॉस्फोरस ट्राइऑक्साइड. एम्फोटेरिक होते हैं आर्सेनिक ट्राइऑक्साइड एंड एंटीमनी, जबकि बिस्मिथ ट्राइऑक्साइड इज बेसिक इन नेचर. Pentaoxides of these elements are acidic in nature and their acidity decreases down the group from nitrogen pentaoxide to bismuth pentaoxide. Stability of pentaoxide decreases on going down the group. Reactivity towards halogens, the elements react with halogen to form trihalides and pentahalides. Like that, nitrogen does not form pentahalide due to non-availability of d orbitals in its valence shell. All the trihydrides of this group elements are stable except nitrogen. In case of nitrogen, NF3 is a stable trihalide. Now we are talking about hydrogen bonding here. क्या होती है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग? Reactivity towards metals. All elements of this group react with metals and form their binary compounds, exhibiting 3 oxidation state. For example, Ca3N2, calcium trihydride, calcium phosphide -3, calcium arsenide -3, zinc antimonide -3, and magnesium bismuthinide -3. Now dinitrogen. So student, we have discussed general characteristics of nitrogen family in this session. If you like this session, comment, share, like करें. जो भी पॉसिबल है, डिसलाइक करना है तो डिसलाइक भी कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स.